Prominent speakers participated in the Infotech conferences, which were attended by some 300 people, most notably young people and their parents wanting to better understand about the career choices of their future. Similarly, the demo area was full of people presenting innovative products and services in various areas such as robotics, 3D printing, mobile payment, etc. And members of the public, including a substantial number of young people, were made during the 2 days of Infotech. Dear friends, for this edition, the National Computer Board has worked on a much larger Infotech, and I hope that anyone visiting Infotech during the next few days will be inspired by what Mauritians are able to achieve. Infotech conferences will run over 3 days compared to 2 days last year. Visitors will have the chance to listen to well-known and very knowledgeable speakers on various innovative topics.
Looking for the football. Mitrovic. Constant dispossessed.